I will chant once all the four, then each one of you, maybe, officer. Harihi Om Shuklambaradharam Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam. Sorry. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Yesterday or day before happens to be Guru Purnima. Yes, sir. Shuklambaradharam Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadhanam Jayet Sarvavighnopashantaye Vyasam Vasishtanaptaram Shakteh Pautramakalamasham Parasharatmajam Vande Chukatatam Taponidhim Vyasaya Vishnurupaya Vyasarupaya Vishnave Namo Vai Brahmanidhaye Vasishthaya Namo Namaha Avikaraya Chuddhaya Nityaya Paramatmane Sadaika Rupa Rupaya Vishnave Sarvajishnave.
I try, madam.
Yes, sir, please.
Suklam Baradram Vishnum Sasivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasanna Vadanam Dhyaye Sarva Vignopasantaye Vyasam Vasishtanaptaram Sakte Pautramagalmasham Parasarajmajam Vande Sugadadam Taponidhim Vyasaya Vishnurupaya Vyasarupaya Vishnave Namo Vai Brahmanida Namo Vai Brahmanidhaye Vasishtaya Namo Namaha Vasishtaya Namo Namaha Avikaraya Sudaya Nityaya Paramatmane Sadaika Rupa Rupaya Vishnave Sarvajishnave.
Yes, sir. Please observe in Suklam Badram it is Jayet.
Jayet.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Anyone? Amita ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Shuklam Baradaram Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vignopashantaye Vyasam Vasishtanaptaram Shakte Pautramakalmasham Parasharatmajam Vande Shukatatam Taponidhim Vyashaya Vishnurupaya Vyasharupaya Vishnave Namo Vai Brahmanidhaye Vasishtaya Namo Namaha Avikaraya Shuddhaya Nityaya Paramatmane Sataika Rupa Rupaya Vishnave Sarvajishnave.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Suklam Baradaram Vishnum Sasivarnam Sadarbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vignopashantaye Vyasam Vasishtanaptaram Sakte Pautra Mahalmasham Parasaratmajam Vande Sukatatam Taponitim Vyasaya Vishnu Rupaya Vyasa Rupaya Vishnave Namo Vai Brahmanidhaye Vasishtaya Namo Namaha Avikaraya Suddhaya Nityaya Paramatmane Sadaika Rupaya Rupa Rupaya Vishnave Sarvajishnave.
Yes, sir. Nice. Yeah. So we'll move on to fifth sloka.
Yes, madam.
Yasya smarana matrena. Please repeat after me. Yasya smarana matrena.
Yasya
स्मरण मात्रेण
Janma samsara bandhanat.
Janma samsara bandhana.
बन्धनात्
Yasya smarana matrena.
Yasya
स्मरण
smaranamatraya.
मात्रेण
Yasya smarana matrena.
Yasya smaranamatrena.
Janma samsara bandhanat.
Jamma samsara bandhana.
बन्धनात्
Yasya smarana matrena.
Yasya
स्मरण
smaranamatrena.
मात्रेण
Janma samsara bandhanat.
Janma
संसार बन्धनात्
Vimuchyate.
Vimuchyate.
Namastasmai.
Namastasmai.
Vishnave Prabha Vishnave.
Vishnave Prabha
Vishnave.
Vishnave.
Yasya smarana matrena.
Yasya
स्मरण
smaranamatrena.
मात्रेण
Janma samsara bandhanat.
Janma samsara
bandhana.
बन्धनात्
Vimuchyate namastasmai.
Vimuchyave
Vimuchyate
namastatmai.
तस्मै
Vishnave Prabha Vishnave.
Vishnave Prabha
Vishnave.
Vishnave.
Yasya smarana matrena.
Yasya
Smarana
smaranamatrena.
मात्रेण
Janma samsara bandhanat.
Janma
Jamma
samsara
samsara
bandhana.
बन्धनात्
Vimuchyate namastasmai.
Vimuchyate
Vimuchyate
namastatmai.
तस्मै
Vishnave Prabha Vishnave.
Vishnave Prabha Vishnave.
Vishnave.
We will go back to Avikaraya. Avikaraya. Yeah, we all will chant together. Avikaraya.
अविकाराय
Shuddhaya.
शुद्धाय
Suddhaya.
Nityaya
Nityaya.
Paramatmane.
Nityaya
Paramatmane.
Paramatmane.
Sadaika Rupa Rupaya.
Sadaika Rupaya.
Vishnave Sarvajishnave.
Vishnave
Vishnave
Sarvajishnave.
Yasya Smarana Matrena.
Yasya
smarana
smaranamatrena.
Janma Samsara Bandhanat.
Janma samsara bandhana.
Vimuchyate Namastasmai.
Vimuchyate namastatmai.
तस्मै
Vishnave Prabha Vishnave.
Vishnave Prabha Vishnave.
Yasya Smarana Matrena.
Yasya smaranamatrena.
Janma Samsara Bandhanat.
Janma samsara bandhana.
Shall we try this line by memorizing? Yasya Smarana Matrena.
Yasya smaranamatrena.
Janma
Janma
Janma samsara
Bandhanat.
Janma samsara bandhana.
बन्धनात्
Again, Yasya
Yasya
smarana matrena.
Janma Samsara
bandhana.
In this shloka, it says, just by remembering Lord Vishnu's name, just a thought of his name removes from all the problems of birth and death. Just smarana matram, only that small thing of remembering his name. Yes, smarana matrena. Matrena means only by remembering.
Yeah.
We need not do big homam, big puja, nothing, no big procedure also. Just you can, if some people who are on the last days, they will just lie down also. They can remember the name. Then they are relieved of their whatever problems. Yes, smarana matrena.
Yasya
smarana matrena.
Janma samsara bandhanat.
Janma samsara bandhana.
Vimuchyate namastasmai.
Vimuchyate namastasmai.
Vishnave Prabha Vishnave.
Vishnave Prabha Vishnave.
Vishnave.
Shall we again try from Shuklam Bhadram till here? Do we
Yeah.
have
Yes,
that
ma'am.
much time? Yeah.
Yes.
we all will one by one. Anyway, 3 of you are there, so which is good for practice.
Yeah.
Keshamati sir, Shuklam Bhadram.
Shuklam Bharadaram Vishnum Sasivarnam Saturbhujam Prasanna Dhyaye Sarva Vignopasantaye Vyasam Vasishtanaptaram Sakte Pautramakalmasham Parasaratmajam Vande Sukadadam Taponidim Vyasaya Vishnurupaya Vyasarupaya Vishnave Namo Vai Brahm Nidaye Vasishtaya Namo Namaha Avikaraya Sudaya Nityaya Paramatmane
Please split up as Avikaraya Suddhaya Nityaya Paramatmane
Nityaya Paramatmane Sadaika Rupa Rupaya Vishnave Sarva Vishnave
Sarva Jishnave Yes Smarana
Matrenam Jiva
Janma
Samsara Bandhanat Janma Samsara Bandhanat Vimuchyate Tasmayi
Vishnave Prabha Vishnave.
Yeah, Vishnave, Prabha Vishnave.
Yes, sir. Amada ma'am.
Shuklam Bharadaram Vishnum Shashivarnam Chadurbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vignopashantaye Vyasam Vasishtanaptaram Shakte Pautramakalmasham Parasharatmajam Vande Shukatatam Taponitim Vyasaya Vishnurupaya Vyasarupaya Vishnave Namo Vai Brahmanithaye Vasishtaya Namo Namaha Avikaraya Shuddhaya Nityaya Paramatmane Sataika Rupa Rupaya Vishnave Sarvajishnave Yasya Smarana Matrena Janma Samsara Bandhanat Vimuchyate Namastasmai Vishnave Prabha Vishnave.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Shuklam Bharadaram Vishnum Sashivarnam Sadurbhujam Prasanna Dhyayet Sarva Vignopashantaye Vyasam Vasishtanaptaram Sakte Pautramakalmasham Parasaratmajam Vande Sukatatam Taponitim Vyasaya Vishnurupaya Vyasarupaya Vishnave Namo Vai Brahmanithaye Vasishtaya Namo Namaha Avikaraya Sudhyaya Nityaya Paramatmane Sadaika Rupa Rupaya Vishnave Sarvajishnave
Yasya Smarana Matrena Janma Samsara Bandhanat Vimuchyate Namastasmai Vishnave Prabha Vishnave. I will give it typing also, this slokam audio also, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah.
Now, to conclude, every day I want to tell this slokam. Please repeat after me. In the last, every day we'll tell this. Kayena vacha Manasaindri Airvya Buddhyatmana Vah Prakriti Swabhavat Karomi Yadyat Sakalam Parasmai Narayana Samarpayami. I will just tell fully. Kayena vacha manasendri airvya buddhyatmana va prakrute swabhavat karomi yajyat sakalam parasmai Narayanaayeti samarpayami. It says, whatever we do with our body, mind, our senses, everything, buddhi, atma, by soul, whatever we do, we are dedicating the job to Lord Narayana.
Okay.
So we'll stop here, sir.
Okay. Thank you, madam.
And I will
I'll
do the
correct-
new slokam
Yeah,
in
yeah,
the
please.
recording.
I'll correct the book on Friday, madam, without fail.
Sure, sir.
Yeah.
Sure, sir.
Thank you.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
Thank you, ma'am.